this what?
All this stuff. Okay, here we go.
Stuff. Oh, so this is for the documentary. 3/8 inch.
Okay, action.
More days, my temper is starting to get real thin. I ain't had no time to write all the songs of shadows of places that we have been.
Nah, you can make quite a bit off of charity videos. Yeah, these organizations usually have pretty deep pockets, and you just overcharge for this and that.
Don't you think that's a little bit dishonest?
No, it's no more dishonest than vampires running a blood donors clinic or pedophiles organizing a toy drive. You gotta take the good with the bad, I guess.
Has anybody seen Jimmy Buffett? For I have been searching for so long, and I don't think he's living out here in Key West, just us phonies singing all the songs. Has anybody seen Jimmy Buffett? For I have been searching for so long, and I don't think he's living out here. Just us phonies.
Nice to meet you, Rusty Rivets.
Hello, Mr. Ziegler.
I'm a background image. You don't get to be a background. I'm a background image. I'm a background. I'm the background. Oh, you're running. And I shot now.
You know, something I was thinking. This is great, these events for polio awareness.
So, you get a real beard though.
We're gonna rip off Bin Laden's beard. That man has a wonderful beard.
I think it's great that Rusty Rivets does these videos cheap.
I'm surprised that he's that old though. He's still supporting him.
I didn't get you, Holly. Holly, I never got you.
Where's your daddy and mommy? Wait, didn't come to the party.
The game's gonna be up to you.
They're here. Ow, you dislocated my shoulder. Ow, how's it going? Ow. Ow, my shoulder. Ow. This one? Ow, you just hit me in the face.
Yeah, I think we got enough shots. I think we're good. I think we're good.
I know, it doesn't take long when the sun goes down, eh? Those are good shoes.
It's because this is a little ditch.
Yeah, let Uncle Nick do it.
Are we?
I was thinking probably we should be able to raise about $10,000 or $20,000, guys. 10 or 20,000 with this video.
Who's gonna get that? Me? Oh, sure.
For
Good
polio.
video. Great.
For polio.
She called me the other day in a panic. She's like, I haven't left yet, I can't find her.
Thank you, Rusty Rivets!